In this video, we're going to learn how to set up an accessibility statement using the Accessible Web Ramp platform. Welcome to the Accessibility Guy channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. An accessibility statement is a public-facing document on a website or app that outlines an organization's commitment, progress, or policies regarding digital accessibility for people with disabilities. It acts as a pledge of inclusivity, informing users about the site's conformance and standards like WCAG, and providing contact information for reporting issues. This is a great first step for getting compliant with Title II deadlines. And I can't think of a better tool than the Accessible Web Ramp platform. This tool has a tab called the Compliance Center after you load up your website that can help guide you through setting up an accessibility statement. There's a tab that says Establish Your Accessibility Page, and we're gonna select Manage Statement. Now there's two different ways you can set up a statement using this platform. You can use the AI Accessibility Statement Generator, or you can use a form to fill out all of the questions on there to help you build out your accessibility statement. And then once you're done, you can actually link your website page statement directly into your account. Let's go ahead and launch the AI Accessibility Statement Generator. And we're gonna ask it to create an accessibility statement for WCAG 2.1 AA standards. We're gonna hit send, and it actually asks us a question. It's saying, what's the average response time for accessibility inquiries? We typically respond in 5 business days. This little built-in chat is going to ask us some additional questions to make sure it gets the accessibility statement just right. It's asking now, what are some known accessibility limitations to our website? Some widgets do cause issues. And then it says, which accessibility regulations should the statement reference for your website? For example, ADA Title III, Section 508, European Accessibility Act. We're going to include all of them. Let's include all. And then it's asking us, what steps are we doing to improve the accessibility of our website? We are using the Ramp platform. And then it's asking me if there's a target date. We're aiming for April 24 of 2026. What contact information should we include? We're going to give my email address, sean@theaccessibilityguy.com. And it's asking me if I would like to include a second contact method, not at this time. All right. And it generated an accessibility statement for my website. You can see when it was created, the date, and it's pretty awesome. The accessibility of theaccessibilityguy.com is important to us. Yada, yada, yada. We've got known limitations, what we're doing, contact us, and future goals. This is fantastic, and I can get this on my website right away. Let's go back to the Compliance Center, go back into the statement area, and if we want, we could then use the form instead of using that chat system that we used. I personally like the chat system, but if you have a more comprehensive review to put into your accessibility statement page, I definitely recommend using the form here to help gather all of your comments, your advocates, the website technology, the WCAG assessment for your website, and any other important information. Once you do that, you can just add your accessibility statement page into your account and select Save Accessibility Page. That concludes today's video on how to set up an accessibility statement using the Accessible Web Ramp platform. If you want to try out the Ramp platform for yourself, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you over in the next video.